this video, I'll show you how to upload a digital product on Gumroad step by step. Whether you're a new creator or an entrepreneur expanding your digital catalog, this guide will make the process simple and clear. Once you're logged into your Gumroad account, you'll land on your dashboard, your main hub for managing all your products and sales. On the left side, click on Products, then select New Product. This is where the setup begins. Start by entering the name of your product. Keep it clear and descriptive so buyers instantly know what it is. Next, under product type, select digital product since we're uploading something like an ebook, a course, or an audio file. Now choose your currency and set a price. You can always change this later, but it's smart to start with a fair and attractive price point. Once that's done, move on to the customization section. Here, write a short and engaging description that highlights what your product offers and why it's valuable. Be specific, keep it genuine, and focus on what buyers will gain from it. You can also customize your product URL to make sharing easier and add a professional touch. Then, upload visuals, a cover image or short video that represents your product. Great visuals make a strong first impression and help build trust with potential customers. Next, scroll down to add any additional product information or files. This could be sample previews, bonus materials, or instructions for use. Remember to click Save and continue regularly so you don't lose progress. When you're ready, upload the actual digital file, your ebook, audio track, or whatever content you're selling. Double check everything looks right and then hit publish. And that's it. Your digital product is live on Gumroad and ready for the world to buy. You've just taken the first big step toward growing your online business. If this guide helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more quick Gumroad tutorials.